Coffee Break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Okay, so this video is in partnership with FabFitFun, but before I get into it, I had already almost finished doing this video, but I hadn't hit record. Like, how does that happen? I don't know, it happens to me. Okay, so today I'm here with my FabFitFun fall add-ons video, and if you guys are unfamiliar, I am partnered up with FabFitFun. It is one of my favorite brands to promote, and I do their seasonal box unboxings every season, but today we're here with the add-ons video, which is really exciting for those of you that are already FabFitFun members. So if you're not familiar, FabFitFun is a quarterly or seasonal subscription service that sends full-size products to your house. Now these products can range from beauty to fashion to health and fitness. It's a really cool box to get because even though the price is $49.99, it is a quarterly box, so you're not gonna get it every month. All of the products are full size and the box retails for well over $200. So right now we're gonna talk about add-ons, which are products that you're eligible to add to your cart at a very awesome deal, rather steal of a price, before your seasonal box ships out. Now I'm only going to share a few of the products with you, but if you guys follow other accounts that are also partners with FabFitFun, they're going to have different products to show you guys. So you want to stay tuned for those videos because it's going to give you guys a sneak peek as to what the add-ons for this season are. So again, it is a seasonal box. We're going to talk about the fall add-ons. I will be unboxing the fall box for you guys in the next few weeks. But if you guys aren't subscribed to FabFitFun, I do have a $10 promo code for you guys if you've been wanting to check it out. Now's the chance because not only could you become a member, you could also add stuff to ship out with you at the same time that your first box goes out to you. So I will have a promo code listed in the description box below. It is a non-affiliate code, which means I'm not making commission. But let's go ahead and get started. Since I did get a little excited and I forgot to hit record, there's already an item that I did open up for you guys, and this is the Skin Laundry Sleep Cycle pillowcase. So the cool thing about this pillowcase is that it has, it's treated with a charged silver ion technology that provides an antimicrobial effect on the pillowcase so that you're not going to harbor harmful bacteria that is bad for your skin, whether it's for breakouts or aging or all that stuff. So the pillowcase looks like this. It's a very soft and silky cotton. It feels almost like a Pima cotton, but that's also very thin and cool to the touch. So let me show you guys so you can get an idea. It's very smooth and silky. I have gotten pillowcases before in other FabFitFun boxes, but they're usually for anti-aging or smoothing your hair. This one is just for your skin and for that antimicrobial effect. Moving on, I did open this the other time that I filmed this video that I wasn't actually filming, and this is from a brand called Black. This is a charcoal that is specifically for your teeth. So it's a whitening charcoal or an activated charcoal. I use activated charcoal on my teeth to keep my teeth white because Mama loves her coffee. But this is from a brand that's what they specialize in. Their charcoal is actually infused with like a minty freshness or minty flavor to it. So it feels more like you're doing something for your teeth rather than just that like powdery carbon taste. So I'm excited to use this one. It will remove like the yellow surface stains that you do have on your teeth, but the process of brushing your teeth with the charcoal is very messy. So it takes some getting used to, but for me, it's been worth it, and it's better than like going to a dentist and, you know, sitting in a chair for God knows like 2 hours. Moving on, another product that will be available for add-ons is the Deborah Lippmann Hard Rock Base and Top Cone Nail Strengthening Coat. I should probably say that again because I'm not sure it came out the way it was supposed to. It's the Deborah Lippmann Hard Rock Base and Top Coat. It's a nail strengthening treatment. Why can't I talk today? So this is a 5-free formula. And it's supposed to encourage nail growth, but it also strengthens and protects your nails. So it's cool for keeping your nails strong, but it's also a good base coat so that it doesn't stain your nails, and it's also a very nice shiny top coat. I don't know about you, but I'm all that for that 2-for-1 business. I make my life way much harder than it needs to be, like the way I speak. Way much harder. Whatever, you guys. Moving on. I totally think they sent this to me intentionally. What do you guys think? I feel like I was caffeine profiled in this video. This is a mug from Bandu. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a thermal mug that says, "More coffee, please." It does have a twist top, not a pressure, like a push top, which makes me a little nervous. And it's a thermal cup, so it's supposed to keep your coffee, or whatever you put in here, hot or cold. I love the whole 70s vibe of it, and I love the color. Who doesn't like orange? Orange is one of those colors like yellow that just makes you happy. Product that I've been dying to try is from Tarte, and this is the Hair Goals Dry Shampoo. A few of you guys told me to try it, that it smells really good and that I would really like it. I haven't gotten around to it, but now I have. So let's see. Ooh, it does smell really good. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. I wonder if it actually works though. It feels really nice. A lot of you guys told me you use it after the gym. I don't know about you, but after the gym, I look like death. So if you guys are able to leave the gym and just spray on a little dry shampoo, you're my hero. This actually reminded me of my bestie, Sam. This is the Eat Fit Kit. It's a weekly meal plan shopping list and meal prep guide. It's super cool. I actually got a little, it looked like a notebook or like a planner from the same brand where you keep track of like your workouts. But I actually like this one because it has, it's like 2 notepads that have the templates already on there. And it facilitates you writing a shopping list. But not only that, it also encourages you to shop better. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the shopping list, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has like a veggie section, fruit section, grains, healthy fats, proteins, dairy, and it says treats. So there's a treat section with like a little wine goblet. There's only 4 bullet points. Everything else has like 10. This one only has 4. So it's like, look, this is a very handy template, and although you can buy those dark chocolate peanut M&Ms, you got to make better choices. And then the back has the meal plan guide. So it's going to have Monday through Sunday, and then it has breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, and a little template at the top for the dates. So like the date range. For me, this would be a really cool visual to see what I have going on for the week, because I'm a very big plan ahead type girl. So if I know that 2 meals of the week are going to have carrots, and I'm gonna cut them one day, I'd rather cut them all the same day and just have them ready to go. So having it written down on something like this, I'll already know, all right, cut those carrots once and you'll be straight, you know? Something that I think I've talked about before already, I'm not quite sure. I have resistance bands at my desk. So right now where I'm sitting, the opposite or behind you guys is my desk where I edit all my footage. And I have some resistance bands on my desk that I just slip between my legs, and I'm just, you know, flexing my legs while I sit there and edit. I don't know why I'm pretending to do it right now because you guys can't see, but these resistance bands from my tag-alongs will also be part of the add-ons. So they're really cool because they come with different strengths or weights. So you can start off gentle, or you could go straight for like the stronger ones, and you're just sitting there working out without realizing that you're working out, and you're doing something for yourself. So it's kind of a cool thing to have. Plus it's just a giant rubber band. Like you could fold it up and throw it in your desk, and no one needs to know that you're resistance training under your desk. Okay, this product I haven't tried myself, and I'm a little excited to try it because it doesn't have a flavor to it. This is a brand called Wealthy Nutraceuticals, and it's the Rebuild Hydrolyzed Collagen Protein for skin, muscle, joint, and gut support. This I'm excited about because it's non-flavored. Most of these products are flavored, which is why I add them to like my bulletproof coffee or like a smoothie so that I could just kind of mask it. This is something that you could just mix into water. So it's really cool when FabFitFun includes stuff like this in their boxes, because they do have like a really strong presence in terms of health and fitness. Moving on, I could talk about anything forever, and I'm sorry you guys, just let's move on. This is Louis by Jean Co. I hope I'm saying that right. And this is a skin solution set, perfecting skin in 3, 2, 1. Erase flaws, balance skin, and clear imperfections. So I'm gonna show you guys what comes in here. Okay, so it comes with 3 products. The first one is the cleansing and exfoliating powder. So this reminds me a lot of like Japanese skincare, which they use a lot of like rice powders to cleanse and exfoliate the skin, and it makes it nice and bright. So you're gonna go in with step 1 first, or I guess this is step erase. Then you go in with the balance. This is the hydrating and calming serum. I love how simple it is. And the final step, I guess it's really an optional step, is clear. And this is a spot treatment. You can apply this up to 3 times a day. And what they want you to do is take the applicator, it's a doe foot applicator, and wherever you have the blemish, you hold it to the blemish for about 30 seconds and then let go, let it dry, leave it alone, and you don't need to rinse it off. It has a really, really strong scent. It doesn't bother me, but it's very herby. It smells a little bit like candied plums and a little bit like Camphophenique. Do you guys remember that thing that you applied to like a bite mark? But it doesn't bother me. I mean, if I'm doing a spot treatment, I'll put anything on there as long as the painful blemish goes away. And the last product is something that I've always used and is always in my shower or my bath, and these are exfoliating gloves. These are from a brand called Daily Concepts, but these are more abrasive than like the typical exfoliating gloves. I like to use these when I don't really want to take the time to use like my Spongel. Spongel is something that I get in FabFitFun that I'm a big fan of, and that one takes precision. You know, you really have to get in there and just exfoliate really well. These, you guys, you put them on like gloves and you go to town all over your body. So you can tell they have a lot of texture on there. So all you have to do really is rub your skin. But what I like to do sometimes if I notice that like my skin is extra dry or there's a lot of dead skin, or I just really need to get to like the base layer, I'll apply a dollop of either like a foaming body wash or a sugar scrub on here. The favorite thing that I have to use is from Bliss, and it's a heating body scrub. Like you put it on your skin and it warms up. It's super, super, super interesting. So basically I put these gloves on and you just like rub your skin. Like you just go to town because every part of your hand is exfoliating, right? And your skin, you guys, your skin will thank you. It's going to absorb anything you put on there. You're gonna have the closest shave possible. You're gonna look like you have supermodel legs, and any sort of lotion that you put on there, like Boom Boom Cream or the Pistache Boyfriend Lotion, you guys, it's gonna make your legs look just radiant, smooth, and flawless. Anyway, I got a little too excited for the add-ons. Like I told you guys before, this is a members only awesome deal. So if you guys aren't members, make sure you sign up for FabFitFun. I will have all the information listed in the description box below, along with that $10 off promo code. But don't forget, the window to add on to your fall box is very, very, very short. It's closing very soon, so look out for other influencers doing videos like these so you can get a sneak peek at all the other add-ons. But for now, I think that's it, y'all. You know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys!